How often have you waited in an awkward silence for the slowest elevator in the building? If you've done that, we have something just for you. We've been working on a project to elevate your experience, the Magic Elevator.
Well, that was easy. This is Shawn, my name is Max, and together we developed a machine learning application to call our elevator with magic spells. Before we take a closer look at the setup here, let's see how it works.
Floors above.
Let's take a look at our hardware first. Everything starts with a magic wand. It's a toy wand that we've reassembled to hold a microgrid. And the microgrid sends acceleration data in X, Y, and Z axis. Our custom-built mechanism on the terminal of the elevator will activate the corresponding buttons. The device consists of a Raspberry Pi 3 with a Dexter Industry Brick Pi shield and a LEGO Mindstorms motor. With some gears and belts, the LEGO motor drives two linear actuators which physically press the elevator buttons. The whole setup is mounted onto a laser-cut acrylic sheet and attached to the elevator panel with 3M dual lock tape.
Next, let's take a look at the software behind the Magic Elevator. You see the main user interface, where you create your spells, in the upper right corner. But I'll come back to it in a bit. Spells are wand motions that are paired with voice incantations, and two separate pieces of software recognize them. Weckinator, this program in the upper left, is free open source software for real-time interactive machine learning. It's using a dynamic time warping model to classify wand motions from the acceleration data you see streaming on the left. The idea is that you come up with your own motion, like any of the ones in this chart, then you show the model examples of it by waving your wand, and the model learns to recognize when you perform it. We're using Google's speech-to-text API to recognize your incantations in this script below Weckinator. It listens to everything you say, and when it hears you say an incantation you set in the main UI, it tells the Raspberry Pi. The left-hand script on the Pi waits for you to cast a proper spell, and when you do, it tells the script to its right to press the correct button. Pause the video here if you're interested in a diagram of our system architecture. Now I'm going to show you the Magic Elevator's user interface and train the wand motion for calling the elevator up. Now that you've seen me train a wand motion, I'll show you how to change the incantation that goes with that wand motion. In the UI here, I will click the Change Incantation button and say anything other than floors above, and that will become the new incantation for the spell. Go up, for instance. And then now you see it is go up.
So we've shown you how the Magic Elevator system works. The beauty of the system is that it can be a game. Right now it works with two people, where only two spells cast properly in agreement call the elevator. In a future version, the elevator could decide which floor to visit based on who among a group casts their spell most accurately. Also, the system could be scaled up to allow choosing specific floors with spells.
That's a Magic Elevator.
Floors below. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. As you can tell, we had a great time as a team.
And we would like to give a special thanks to our Professor Ben Shapiro, PhD student Kaylee Shara, and Dexter Industries.